Hi guys, welcome back to Keto Kicks. Today I'm going to be making no-bake peanut butter cups. Let's get started. Okay, so for no-bake peanut butter cups, what we need is some almond flour, sweetener, double cream and peanut butter. I'm using smooth, but you can use crunchy if you prefer. Unsalted butter and some vanilla extract. Dark chocolate, I'm using 85%, but you can use 70 or 75%, whichever you prefer. And for toppings, I'm going to use some walnuts, pecans, some coconut, and some toasted coconut flakes. First of all, add 8 ounces of softened butter to your bowl. Add 1 cup of peanut butter and whisk until smooth. Add 1 cup of sweetener and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And mix together. Then add half a cup of almond flour and then stir together. Add another half a cup of almond flour and continue to stir. I'm using a silicone cake tray. However, if you prefer, you can use a cake tin and cut into pieces once set. Now smooth the tops down and chill for 10 minutes. While your mixture is chilling, break up a bar of chocolate into a microwave safe bowl. Add 1/4 cup of double cream. Melt the chocolate and double cream. I'm using the microwave 1 minute at a time to make sure it doesn't burn. When melted, add a spoonful to the top of each peanut butter cup. Working quickly before the chocolate sets, smooth over the tops and add your toppings. And then pop back in to chill for around 10 minutes. These are now ready to enjoy. These are perfect as a dessert, snack, or even given as a gift. These are a perfect alternative sweet treat for friends, family, or anyone following a low carb or keto plan. So that's it guys, thanks for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe and comment below, it's really appreciated. We love to read all your comments. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let us know. Thanks again for watching guys, see ya!